Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session we are going to install the Django server on our Windows 11 machine. Okay friends, but before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay, so let's start. So friends, I have already created the video. In that video I have mentioned how to install the Python latest version, which is 3.9.6, and also I have mentioned it how to install the VS Code on Windows 11. Okay, so watch the video, and first you need to install the Python latest version and install the VS Code on your Windows 11 machine. Okay, so simply these steps basically you can use if you still on the Windows 10, you can use these steps for installing the Django server on your Windows 10 machine also. Also we are going to enable the virtual environment. Okay, so simply start the VS Code, run as an administrator. Simply go here, search for Visual Studio Code, right click, run as administrator, and it will open the VS Code as administrator. As you can see, it's open as an administrator. Then click on terminal, click on new terminal, and it will open the terminal. If it is not open, you need to open like this way. Go to the terminal and new terminal, it will open the terminal. That's it. Now if I run the command python -- version, as you can see we are now on the Python latest version, which is the 3.9.6. that's it. So first we need to create the directory. So mkdir Django Freedom Tech, again you can mention any name. I have created the Django Freedom Tech is the directory. Clear the screen, go to the inside that directory. So cd Django Freedom Tech. Now we are inside the Django Freedom Tech directory. Now we are going to run the command for creating the venv, the virtual environment directory. So command is python space -m venv and venv, python space -m venv and venv, and we are creating this venv directory inside our Django Freedom Tech directory. Just hit enter. So friends, as you can see, we have successfully created the venv directory. If I run the ls command, as you can see we have our venv directory inside Django Freedom Tech folder. That's it. Clear the screen. Now we need to activate the virtual environment, but first we need to run the command. I have mentioned it inside the notepad. I will mention the notepad with my GitHub repository link. You need to simply download the notepad. Okay, or maybe I will mention this command inside the description box directly. Okay, you need to simply copy and paste the commands. It will help you to install the Django server on Windows 11. So after creating the venv directory, we need this command. Okay, set-executionpolicy, because if you not run this command, we will get the error for creating the virtual environment. Okay, so simply copy the command, copy it, open VS Code and just paste and just hit enter. Okay, now we can successfully create our virtual environment. So command is venv, then scripts, S is the capital, venv scripts, as you can see S is capital, then activate. This is what the command, I have mentioned it here also, as you can see. Or simply you need to press the tab here, tab button. Okay, if I just like this way, if I run the venv, as you can see I have pressed the tab button, it's automatic get the .venv command, venv, then simply again press the capital S, again press the tab. It will basically get you the full command, the scripts. Okay, then simply press the A, small a, and again press the tab button. We will get the full command, the activate, and simply hit enter. It will take some time and it will activate the virtual environment. Simply hit enter, and as you can see we have now created successfully our virtual environment. As you can see here, the venv, it means we are inside a virtual environment. From here right now we can install the Django. So pip3 install Django and just hit enter. It will install the Django server package on our Windows 11. So friends, we have installed a Django package on our Windows 11. As you can see here, successfully installed. Now we are going to create the project. So creating the project, we need to run the command django. Okay, as you can see, simply I have pressed the tab button here. I am going to show you again. The command is django-admin. So django-admin. As you can see, simply remove the .exe because we need only django-admin, then space, and then we are going to run the start project. Okay, start project, and then mention the project name. So let's say freedom tech is our project name. Okay, and simply hit enter. It will create the freedom tech directory. If I run the ls command, as you can see, we have our freedom tech directory. This is what our project main folder. So clear the screen, and now we need to go inside the freedom tech folder. If I run the ls command, and here it is what our manage.py script, the Python script. Now we are ready, and we are going to run the manage.py script. So Python space manage.py and runserver is our command. Hit enter. So friends, as you can see, we have successfully run our server, and the link is 127.0.0.1. 8000 is the port. Now I am going to minimize the VS Code, open the Chrome browser, and I need to mention that link, which is, as you can see, 127.0.0.1 and 8000. So mention like this way, 127.0.0.1 and 8000, and just hit enter. And as you can see, this is what the Django by default page, and we have successfully run this page, means we have successfully installed the Django. Also we have successfully created the project. Okay, so this is what the by default project. So this is the way, friends, you can install the Django server on your Windows 11 machine. Okay, I will mention this text document, all the command inside my description box. You need to simply follow these commands, and you will successfully install the Django on your machine. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.